Okay, this is Kim from Reality Travel. A couple of days ago, I did the river ride, with the floating houses and to look at the floating market. And as a matter of fact, I think I hear one of those boats coming now. Yeah. So anyway, I said that I kind of wanted to be in this area. We'll just let this boat come through. Kind of loud. This is a floating market. They're selling something. I wish they would come over this way so I can see what they're selling. But I guess they're not allowed to. So anyway, I decided to come over this way, find a place to closer to stay in this area because I'm like really interested. So I did find a way. And if you look here, I'm on the other side. This is I have an apartment over here. I figure I stay over here my last 3 days being in Thailand. And so I think I'm really gonna enjoy it here. You see, there's a little boat here. It's got water in it. Maybe I'll get a chance to ride down the river again. But this is Kim, and I told you that I really wanted to experience being over here on the water, and I just didn't waste any time. So I am really loving it already, just the serenity. This is as long as none of those huge lizards that we saw come up on the water, come up here. But yeah, this is where I am for my last few days here, and I'm on the 4th floor up there. Okay, you can see it. But yeah, okay. I like it. Yeah. Turn around. Yeah. Okay, Kim from Reality Travel out. Bye.